a wheel rotates making 20 revolutions per second. Now if the radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter, what linear distance does the point of its rim traverse in 3 minutes? Now we are given radius of the wheel is 35 centimeter. Now radius of wheel R is equal to 35 centimeter. Circumference of wheel is equal to 2 pi r. Now this becomes 2 times 22 by 7 times 35 is equal to 220 centimeter. Now linear distance traveled by a point of the rim in one revolution is equal to 220 centimeter. Now what this line means? Now this means, suppose this is a wheel. Now if I am just marking a point here, now the wheel when it is here, now suppose this is the track. Now from here wheel starts rotating. Now this point, now it starts rotating. This point when it will be here again, now it will start rotating like this, like this, like that. Then again suppose at this point, again it is in the same position. So this means what? From here to here, the distance traveled by a wheel by a point of the rim. This means the distance traveled by a point of the rim. Or if you can just suppose this is a ring made of a small wire, thin wire, cut it from here, make it straight and just mirror it. It will be exactly up to here. Okay. Now we are having the distance traveled by a point of on a ring. Now wheel rotates making 20 revolutions per second. Therefore number of revolutions made in 3 minutes is equal to 20 times 60 times 3. This is equal to 3600. Okay. Now how much distance is traveled? Linear distance what linear distance does a point of its rim traverse in 3 minutes? Now linear distance traveled in 3 minutes is equal to 3600 into 220 centimeter. Now this becomes 792,000 centimeter, or we can write it 7.92 kilometers. Hence required distance traveled is 7.92 kilometers. This is the answer.